Hi, this is the Motorola Edge 40 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So hold for a while the application, then drag this up to another one. And by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Just if you want to rename or give a name to the folder, tap once on the name and then enter the new one. Just as you can see, that's all simple. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove application from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with the application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Also, you could remove all of the applications with the folder together by the same way, hold and remove it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.